is the PNB MetLife Smart Platinum Plus plan, the perfect blend of security and investment opportunities. In this review, we will explore its features, benefits, drawbacks, and associated cost. Additionally, we will analyze potential returns to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. PNB MetLife Smart Platinum Plus is an individual unit-linked non-participating life insurance plan. First, let us look at the features of the plan. Two plan options are available for selection. Enjoy life coverage till maturity even with limited premium payments. Enhance your fund value with fund management charge, returns, and a fund booster. Protect your financial goals with the care benefit. Customize your wealth plan with a range of portfolio strategies. Choose from various funds tailored to match your risk profile. Now we shall look at the benefits of PNB MetLife Smart Platinum Plus. First, maturity benefit. Total fund value as of the date of maturity is payable. Next, death benefit. It will be higher of fund value on the date of death or the sum assured after deducting all partial withdrawals or 105% of total premiums paid excluding partial withdrawals. Next, return of charges and boosters. Total fund management charges deducted till the end of 5th policy year will be added back to the fund value at the end of 6th policy year. The fund boosters will be allocated to your policy at the end of 10th policy year. Next, we shall look at the investment strategies and fund options in PNB MetLife Smart Platinum Plus. The plan gives you the choice of 3 fund management strategies to choose from as per your risk appetite and convenience. You need to select any one from the following fund management strategies. First, self-managed strategy. With this strategy, you can allocate your premiums directly amongst the available funds in the proportion of your choice. You have the option of switching among the funds as mentioned here and may choose a premium redirection option for your future premiums depending on your changing risk appetite and market conditions. Next, systematic transfer strategy. It helps safeguard your wealth against market volatility and it is available only if you have opted for regular pay or limited pay policy with annual frequency as premium payment mode. This strategy ensures a gradual exposure to equity from debt in a phased manner through equal installment over 12 months. All installment premium will be invested in the Protector 2 fund, which is a debt-oriented fund. This amount will be systematically transferred to the Premier Multi-Cap fund, which is an equity-oriented fund over a 12-month policy period. Next, life stage strategy. At policy inception, your premium net of allocation charge is distributed between 2 funds. Premier Multi-Cap fund, which is an equity-oriented fund, and a Protector 2 fund, which is a debt-oriented fund based on your attained age. As you move from one age band to another, your funds are redistributed based on your age. The age-wise portfolio distribution is shown in the table. Next, we shall look at the charges of PNB MetLife Smart Platinum Plus. First, mortality charge. It will be based on the plan option, attained age of life issued, rate as per mortality charge table, and the applicable sum at risk. Next, morbidity charge. It applies only to wealth plus care option. The morbidity charge will be based on the attained age of life assured, morbidity rate, and the applicable sum at risk. Partial withdrawal charge. You can make unlimited partial withdrawal in a policy year free of any charge. Premium allocation charges. These are expressed as a percentage of premium and are levied throughout the first 10 years. It is deducted from the premium amount at the time of premium payment and the balance units are allocated in the chosen funds thereafter. Next, policy administration charges. A policy administration charge of Rs 420 per annum will be levied at the beginning of each policy month from the unit fund by cancelling units for an equivalent amount. Fund management charges. It depends on the fund option chosen. It ranges between 1% and 1.25%. Discontinuance charges. It is expressed either as a percentage of fund value or as a percentage of annualized premium or single premium. It depends on the premium amount, year of discontinuance, and premium paying term. Switching charges. You can make unlimited switches in a policy year free of any charge. Inference from the charges. The above charges are relatively high compared to other market-linked investments. Moreover, there is no transparency in investment when compared to other market-related investments. Premium allocation charges, policy administration fees, discontinuance charges serve as overhead cost for an investor. In the long run, this added cost can significantly diminish your returns. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of PNB MetLife Smart Platinum Plus. First, advantages. You have the flexibility to increase or decrease your sum assured as needed. The premium redirection option allows you to change the allocation of future premiums at no additional cost. You can switch partially or fully between available segregated fund options. Partial withdrawals are permitted only after the lock-in period, that is 5 policy anniversaries have ended, or when the life assured turns 18, whichever occurs later. Next, disadvantages. Policy loans are not permitted under this plan. Top-up premium is not allowed. The policy has a lock-in period of 5 years. Only the net premium after deducting charges is invested. The life cover provided is insufficient. Next, estimating potential returns is crucial when evaluating the plan as it allows for comparison with other investment options, helping you make informed decisions. Here is an internal rate of return calculation based on the figures provided in the policy brochure. Consider a 40-year-old male who purchases PNB MetLife Platinum Plus with a sum assured of rupees 15 lakhs. The policy term is 60 years and the premium payment term is 10 years with an annual premium of rupees 1 lakh. He opts for plan option 1, wealth. Under the wealth option, the fund value is accessible at the end of the policy term, assuming all premiums are paid on time. The policy brochure provides illustration of potential returns based on assumed investment rates of 4% and 8% per annum. It is important to note that these returns are not guaranteed and do not represent the upper or lower limits of what you might earn with the policy. At a 4% return, the estimated fund value is 34.80 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 2.27%, which is lower than the interest rate offered by a typical savings account. At an 8% return, the fund value is projected to be 2.84 crores, yielding an IRR of 6.19%, which is comparable to or sometimes lower than the interest rates on bank fixed deposits. Given the long wait until the fund value becomes available at age 99, the return on investment may not be worthwhile. The sum assured is relatively low and extending life cover until age 99 is generally not recommended. The fund value is accessible to the policyholder either upon death or at age 99, raising concerns about the practical utility of the savings. These factors make PNB MetLife Smart Platinum Plus a less attractive option. Comparing different products simplifies the decision-making process. Let's apply the same metric as in the previous example to create an alternative scenario, but this time we will separate the insurance and investment components for a clearer comparison with PNB MetLife Smart Platinum Plus. For the life insurance component, we will use a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of rupees 15 lakh. The policy term is 30 years with a 10-year premium payment term at an annual premium of rupees 27,200. This leaves you with rupees 72,800 per year, which can be invested according to your risk preferences. Low risk investors might opt for debt instruments like PPF, while high risk investors may lean towards equity investments such as ELSS funds. In this scenario, we have chosen ELSS fund for investment, which is also a market linked product. For the ELSS fund, the pre-tax maturity value is 41.35 crores. After accounting for capital gains tax, the final maturity value is 36.19 crores, resulting in a post-tax IRR of 11.11%. For comparison, we have assumed redemption at the age of 99, but the ELSS fund offers flexibility to withdraw funds as needed without restrictions. Given the whole life cover and the availability of fund value at age 99, the PNB MetLife Smart Platinum Plus may not be the most practical or advantageous investment option. Here is our final verdict on PNB MetLife Smart Platinum Plus. The plan offers whole life coverage paired with equity investment opportunities. However, in personal finance, it is generally advised to have life coverage only until your working years, as your retirement savings should support your post-retirement needs. This makes the whole life coverage feature less relevant. Additionally, the sum assured under this plan is insufficient. When analyzing returns, it becomes evident that the market-linked investments offered by this plan yield returns comparable to debt instrument over the long term and also have a high agent commission. This makes it a poor choice for those looking to build wealth. It is crucial to ensure you have adequate life coverage during the working years, which can be effectively achieved with the pure term policy available at an affordable premium. Focus on building an investment portfolio that aligns with your life goals and risk tolerance. Always assess the potential returns of any financial product before investing. If you need guidance, consider consulting a certified financial planner who can offer expert advice on various products available in the market. A detailed review of PNB MetLife Smart Platinum Plus is available as a blog post on our website, and the link is given in the description.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.